In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ManyChat account. ManyChat is a powerful platform for building automated conversations on popular messaging apps, and getting your account set up only takes a few minutes. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to expect and why each click matters. First, open your browser and search for ManyChat. From the search results, click the official ManyChat site. You'll know you're in the right place if the page mentions creating chat automations for social channels. Starting from search helps you land on the current sign-in page, even if the URL changes in the future. Once you're on the sign-in page, click Sign in with Google. This button both signs you in and creates your new ManyChat account, so there's no separate registration form to fill out. Using Google keeps things simple and secure, and it saves you from managing another password. Next, choose the Google account you want to use. If you have multiple Google profiles in your browser, take a second to pick the one that fits your business or brand. This keeps your future pages, channels, and permissions cleanly organized. If you're prompted to grant basic access, review the details and continue. So ManyChat can create your workspace. After that, you'll be asked to choose the channels you want to use for your main ManyChat account. Here's where you select the platforms you plan to automate. You can use Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or Telegram. Each channel has its own requirements and connection flow, so don't worry if one needs extra verification or a business page. This is normal. You can also add more channels later, so it's fine to start with just one. For this walkthrough, choose Facebook Messenger as an example. ManyChat may ask a few quick questions to tailor your setup, such as the type of business you run or how you plan to use messaging. Answer those prompts, then continue. When you're done, you can head back to the sign-in page and use your Google account to access your newly created ManyChat dashboard. That's it. You searched for ManyChat, signed in with Google, picked the Google account you want associated with your workspace, and selected the messaging channels you'll automate, starting with Facebook Messenger in this example. From here, you're ready to explore your dashboard, connect any additional channels when you're ready, and begin building your first automated flows. Thanks for following along and enjoy creating your ManyChat account.